Branches arch like arms of grace, guiding me through this endless space. Echoes of my footsteps blend with the breeze, a symphony born of the rustling leaves. Each beat's alive, alive and free. The words awaken the soul in me. Feel the rhythm of the earth below. Every heartbeat where the wild winds blow. Lost and found in the trails I roam. The woods, my compass, my only home. Mountains rise like giants near. Their ancient songs fill the atmosphere. I climb their peaks, I feel the sky. With every step I learn to fly. Mountains rise like giants near. Their ancient songs fill the atmosphere. I climb their peaks, I feel the sky. With every step I learn to fly.
Where the air is thin, the mountain calls, let the trek begin. With every step, feel the world unwind. The peak ahead, it's yours to find. High on the mountain we rise, we soar. Above the clouds where the eagles roar. Feel the beat of the earth's pure core. High on the mountain we want no more. The winds may howl, but they can't compete with the fiery ice, the steady beat. Rocky paths and the snow may sting, but to the summit our voices sing. High on the mountain we rise, we soar. Above the clouds where the eagles roar. Feel the beat of the earth's pure core. High on the mountain we want no more. Hear the whispers of the ancient stone. They tell a tale of God, the brave alone. But we are here and we brought our song. Together strong, we'll prove them wrong.